Hi everyone, a quick video to show you what's on our shelf today. This week's theme is air, land and water. So as you see, I've created this mat out of with a picture of an old calendar, and I've collected these little teeny mini toys which my daughter will be matching to the air, land and water pictures. I've also cut out some other pictures which I've collected here, which she can match to the mat. So we've also got these jars here. This one's got some sand and some roots for land. This one's got only air in it, and this one's got some water. So these jars will be on top here for the whole week. This mat too, we're gonna keep it out for the whole week. And maybe I'll just be changing this activity. Tomorrow we'll be doing something else, and the other days some science experiments. But for today, this will be her activity. I just want to show you the books that we'll be reading throughout this week. I've chosen Peep Inside a Fairy Tale, The Little Mermaid. They're all Usborne books, because I love Usborne illustrations. Then we've got Bug Homes and What Are Stars. So this will help us with our air, land and water theme. I've also got 3 little cute books here. This one's Lift and Look Under the Sea, Are You There Little Bunny for our land, and the last one, The Windy Day. So I hope this video is giving you an idea of how you can set up your shelf if you're doing an air, land and water theme for a preschooler. If you like our videos, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye bye.